Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start at the nape where volume matters most. First, brush through and spritz a light heat protectant so adhesive or clips sit on smooth hair. Once done, create a clean horizontal part from ear to ear at the occipital bone and clip the top hair up tightly. That gives you a stable base. Now align the first weft to the section, check length against your head, and position the weft so it will sit snugly without lifting the scalp. You now attach the second and middle rows to build volume. If using adhesive, apply thin, even glue and press the weft onto the base for 10 to 20 seconds. If clips, snap them into the section and test tension. Move upward in staggered rows with about 1/2 inch spacing so the weight distributes. Make sure to blend by cutting soft layers and lightly backcombing at roots where needed. This hides the weft and creates natural lift. You finish by releasing the top section and smoothing the layers over the wefts. Then style with low heat tools and a root lift spray to fuse natural hair into the extensions. Make sure the overall weight feels balanced. If any spot pulls or shows, remove that weft and reposition slightly higher or lower. If a weft refuses to sit flat, add a thin strip of padding or backcomb a small patch under the base to create grip. That simple fix often solves lift and visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.